How's it going, everyone? We are back with another weekly watch list. This is going to cover all the things that I'm looking for this coming week in the stock market, and specifically for SPY, QQQ, and IWM. Before I go any further, just want to say thank you so much for watching. As always, it really means a lot to me. I make these videos for fun, and I simply just enjoy them, and it's nice if anyone can get any sort of benefit out of them as well. So I hope you have all had a great weekend, and let's jump right in. So SPY, why don't we start off on the daily actually, because I think it's a little, actually the weekly. Let's start off on the weekly. So obviously we have this weekly candle here, which does not look very good. So we'll see how that ends up playing out. It's been a while since we've had a candle look like this on the weekly here on SPY. So it'll be very, very interesting to see if we do get a bit of a correction here. Obviously the daily is very ugly as well, high volume as well. Very, very ugly candle here. So we will see. I mean, again, with the way SPY and the market itself has acted recently, I also wouldn't be surprised if we just somehow gap up overnight, hit all new highs, all-time highs, you know, and cross 520 Monday or Tuesday. So we'll see. But first thing I'm watching for is always previous day high and low for support and resistance. So this 518 and this 511 for resistance and support. Blue lines are always going to be like temporary levels for me. We did have a lot of action at this level here. Oh, hold on, there we go. Oh, one sec. Let's see, let me go back here, back to the hourly. So right here, let me, hold on, turn off my phone there. Let's see, 514.21, strong resistance. So we saw it turn to support, and we broke this level, retested it again, acted as strong resistance. So I will be seeing if we have any action there as well. We did have this gap in the pre-market on Thursday as well. So I am going to, or was it Friday? No, it's Thursday. Thursday as well. So I will be watching that. I do typically will watch if there are gaps in pre-market. I like to maybe see if there's any action at that level as well. So we could like break and retest this Friday low, and this could be our first profit target, or we break below that down to my next support at 508.44. So let me zoom out here on the hourly real quick, just to look at some of the other levels. So that first support, 508.44. Below that, I have 504.75. And below that, I think will be the strongest one here at 503.02. As you can see, lots of support here, right? Support, 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 strong support here. And it's also a nice support on the daily as well here, this gap here. So if we come down here, maybe test this 503, we'll see, right? So that's going to be SPY. Let's head over to QQQ. So same thing, daily is absolutely disgusting. Wow, that is insane. I mean, look at the volume. I mean, that's, I mean, we'll see where we end up. I mean, honestly, that this 420 looks good. Not gonna lie. Maybe even actually this 425. Come down here, fill this gap. I mean, that looks pretty likely. We'll see though. We'll see how this week goes. Could definitely be the first red week. You know, I know we had this red week here, but it was a bit bullish as well with the volume in this wick. But you know, only 2 red weeks here in the last several is pretty insane. So obviously elevated volume here on QQQ as well. So it'd be interesting to see where we end up. So over to the hourly, again, previous day high, previous day low, first resistance and support. This was strong resistance here on QQQ. So 1, 2, 3 times. So I do want to see maybe if we come back up here and touch this again, it's still resistance. So we'll see. That's a temporary level here at 446.71. And then of course support, previous day low, 438.37. Below that I have 433.71, and that's also a gap on the daily as well. So let's see, is it this level here? Yeah, 433.71. So you can see we have this gap up here as well. I could see us having strong support here at this 433. If not, we break below and we could be heading straight to 425, which isn't that far away. So we will see, okay? Let's go, actually I have one more level, 431.96. Let me go back to the hourly real quick. I believe it's another temporary level. So yeah, just because it was pre-market and we had really strong support with this candle here on the hourly. Again, say we break, retest this 433, I could be looking at this as a first price target, or see if we get support down here. So it's just something I keep on. The blue levels are always meant to just be temporary. And then lastly, the mess of IWM. Yeah, just, I mean, I've gone over this in the last couple of videos, just the daily looks disgusting. First level I'm gonna be watching is the 61 Fibonacci from the swing high to swing low. See if we do get up here, touch this 61, and for potential reject here, obviously ugly daily as well. And then over to the hourly, again, previous day high, previous day low, 210.41, first resistance, first support 205.8. And then again, I have this zone here, resistance, resistance. See if we come up here. If we get over it, then maybe we move up to 210. If we stay below it, then we're looking at moving back down to support 204.08, and then anywhere between this 202.50 to 203, this level here, and this kind of this whole zone. If we do break below that, be looking down here at this 201 area as well. This previous resistance turns support here at this 201 area. And I believe on the daily, let's go to the daily real quick. I don't think I saw that on the daily too much. Just 201. Yeah. I mean, yeah, okay, we do have this gap here. So 201 could be a good support if we come back to here and test that. So that's going to wrap everything up. That's going to be the watch list for this week. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, it would mean a lot to me. If you did, consider leaving a like, dropping a comment, letting me know what you think. Any insight would be helpful as well. Again, just for fun, and I've been trading full-time now for 15 months now, January of last year. So it's at 15 months or so. 14 months, I guess it is. So it does mean a lot to me if all the support or any support. If you enjoyed it, let me know. If not, you can let me know too. But nonetheless, I hope you all have an amazing week inside and outside of the markets, relationships, career, businesses, whatever it may be. I wish you the absolute best. And I most likely will not, I don't know if I'll be making a video next week. I will be traveling that Monday. So I don't know if I'll be making a watch list. We will see. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and have an amazing week.